Have you ever heard of ChatGPT? It is an advanced language model that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like response to wide range of topics. ChatGPT is developed by openai and it is one of the most powerful AI language model out there. It is trained on a massive data set of text which allows it to understand and respond to users' query natural way. ChatGPT can assist with a wide range of tasks for answering general knowledge questions to providing recommendation for books or movie. It can ever help with the homework and provide customer support. You can interact with the ChatGPT through various platforms such as messaging apps, websites, and voice assistants. Just type or speak your query, and ChatGPT will provide a prompt and accurate response. So, what makes ChatGPT so powerful? It's all thanks to its advanced natural language processing capabilities. ChatGPT can understand the context of the question and generate a relevant response in a matter of seconds. With ChatGPT, you can explore the power of AI language models and experience the future of natural language communication. Try it out today and see yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips on using ChatGPT, and the future of AI is here. The ChatGPT is leading the way. Thanks for watching.